come with us to Cicada Market. So look how beautiful this place is. Got all these beautiful lights up in the trees. Wasn't overly busy. There is a food market here, and there is also live artwork going on from what we've been told. This is our first time here. But yeah, it's a beautiful place. You can hear some live music. So hopefully we'll be able to see that. Here we go. So the coupons. So here you give your cash in, and then you get coupons. It comes in a 50, a 20, 10s and 5s. Little puppet show going on there. And this is the food section. Lots of different types of food, loads of Thai food. There was also Western food as well. This guy doing this live glass blowing. Just nice to watch. Something different. Lots of different stalls. So yeah, lots for you to buy. Really enjoyed looking at this art, watching some of the artists do the live work. Like I say, not overly busy. And just beautiful to look at. Oh, here's the jazz band. You can sit in this little area. If you're lucky enough to get a beanbag, you can sit down, watch the music, watch the band perform while you're having something to eat. Loads of cocktail options, beer options you can get. Mojitos. So yeah, just a beautiful looking place. Really nice to go and visit. Something a little bit different to some of the markets with your coupon option. For us personally, it is tourist prices, so not local prices. So do be prepared to spend a little bit more money than what you may at some of the markets, but still, overall, it's a very nice experience to go. Like I say, it's nice having this live music option. Oh, he was great. You could give him a tip, and you could actually paint him. So yeah, loads of different options to do here. So if you do get the chance, go and have a look down at the Cicada Market. Lots of things to do and enjoy. Personally, I would go back and try and get me a beanbag and watch that music.